Hi friends! I just want to tell you a little bit about the plans for this week. You should have read chapter 1 last week and then started answering the questions for chapter 1 in your study guide. This week is going to be a lot of heavy reading focus, so just make sure you follow the calendar and you get all the reading done that you need to this week. For Monday, I'll just see you in Google Meet at 8:26 during our class time and we'll talk a little bit about what you read so far. And then I want you to read chapter 2 in Of Mice and Men on Monday. If you want to hear me read it to you, you can hear the screencast right here. And for Tuesday, all you have to do is finish reading chapter 2 and then answer the questions for chapter 2 in the study guide. So you get 2 days just to work on chapter 2. I really want to give you enough time to be able to get done with the reading. I know you have a lot going on. And the chapters generally take between 20 to 35 minutes. So I just want to make sure you have the time to read them and then carefully answer the questions in your study guide. So please take the time to, follow along with the book and then listen to the screencast if you would like to. For Wednesday, you are reading the first half of chapter 3, and then on Thursday, you're reading the second half of chapter 3. Chapter 3 is really long, so I broke it up into 2 halves. And then for Friday, you just have to answer the questions for chapter 3 in your study guide. So please just make sure you finish chapters 2 and 3 this week and then answer the questions in your study guide. And in our Google Meets, we'll just talk a little bit about what you've read and if you have any questions in the study guide or about what you're reading. I hope you like the book. It's really good. Remember, there's only 6 chapters, so after this week, you'll already be halfway done. Let me know what you need. Send me an email with anything that you ever need, and I'm here for you, and I hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you soon.